rolling. And it be in the fam.
Down here in the field.
Yeah.
The 2-6.
Yeah.
They like to say
And.
Yeah, everybody say that.
Oh, yeah.
It's
going down. Sit down, mama. Oh, yes. This is what y'all pay attention to. See, right here. Yeah. Oh, look at these beautiful trees. Really beautiful trees. Y'all playing, y'all still playing. It is real out here. Ooh-wee.
Now that Sunday while I had texted you, I was like, 50 million people. That was the day we had came out here. Parking lot. Full. It was even parked right here along the side of one of the spots up here. It's today Monday. Voila. Awesome. This is a future cyclist.
Yeah, mama. No, mama, this you can't. Oh my.
We got plastic trim.
Hey. Whatever's whatever. It is all greater.
All right, family. That door's not going to open, sweetheart. You guys open it from the outside.
Alright. Let's check this out. It's adventure though. It's really real out here. Look how beautiful these trees is. Look at that green. You know what I'm saying? Look at that. Life. It's life. Life. Life, baby. Life. Yeah. We're gonna be somewhere out there. So we're gonna be at, I can't tell you that. I get out here and I do it. Yeah. See my little one. Huh? Yeah, they ready. They ready. They already gone. Get on across that railroad track, cuz. And my baby. My baby, yep. Me babes, yep. Yeah, we out here. We out here. Yeah, you know I can show a little bit.
Yeah, railroad track. Train, but we gonna see a train before we leave out of here.
Yeah, cause we hear them all the time.
Yeah, they loud out there.
Wow.
Big step. Big step again.
What?
They already down there at the park. Took off.
Y'all, I guess y'all didn't bring y'all bags, huh? I ain't thirsty right now. That doesn't mean I ain't finna bring my bag because later on I'm gonna want some water.
There's a park right there. Well, run.
I jumped to it and ate.
They're like, really? This is amazing. Nature is so amazing. Look at that little trail right there. Let's see if it clears up for me. Dogs must be on leash or whatever. No bicycles. Walking trail only. But that's it right there. Oh, wetlands trail. You know we gotta go check that out. Ooh, now you could do some tenting deep out of these woods. Look here, I'm gonna be so honest, but I ain't gonna be able to record much longer because I'm enjoying this and y'all already know how I do. I ain't really too much with the camera like and stuff like that, but whew, the whole vibration, it just feels so great out here. Like, you know, the connection is serious. Y'all still playing, you know. How tall these trees is, like, wow. This what attracts me. Like, this is what grabs my attention. Whoa. I do kind of want to go deep in there and lay down somewhere, vibe with the animals.
It's pretty.
Oh yes, this is beautiful.
So pretty out here.
This is beautiful. This is big.
We ain't even
This
in the
is
park
sick.
yet.
Yeah, I know.
It's a little creepy.
See the little ones out there. Y'all already done got acquainted. It's amazing how so many trees together. Telling me the trees can stand together, get along. We can't. Wow. Well, you can learn a lot from nature. I tell you that. I tell you that much, though. You learn a lot. Yeah, mama. Huh? Yeah, mama. Yep. All right, the little one's called, so I'll get back to this a little later. We better be connected, you know. We should be connected. You see what she right on that tree? Yeah, tree huggers. Yeah, exactly. We love the tree. We love the plants. Yeah, exactly. This is what we do. What, mama? Oh, somebody brought their bag. I said somebody brought their bag. Alright, I'm out for a second. Baby done got up there on the tree. Oh, she getting it.
I got stuck.
Getting it. Got her. Got her. Oh. See, I go be my little one to go get the coconut.
Yeah, there you go.
He always wanted to do it too. Y'all gotta take a break now.
He can get up there and sit.
You out there.
Now what other people say, get out that tree before you fall and break your neck.
Where you break out?
Wow, he got all the way up there.
Nature, baby, nature. Nature, baby.
That's it right there.
See, then you just sitting out there chilling. That's the way it be like in the coconut tree. We throwing the coconut down, and we just catching the coconut.
I pushed him.
Look at that there.
Good job.
Nature, she just calls me. Look at that. Like,
Calling back is the ordeal, huh?
check it out. I mean, check it out and
Y'all
check
ready
it
to go
in.
explore?
You know, yeah, that's what I'm ready for.
Yeah,
Explore.
let's go.
See, my baby, she on. You know what I'm saying? Like, you know, ready to go explore. See, y'all already know. You know.
Watch your back. I'm gonna step down now.
Wait. Yeah.
There you go.
Mama, we finna go walk.
We're gonna go to the left.
Ooh, he speaks to me. Check. Check it in and check it out. Ooh, wee. You can't tell me this don't excite you. Unless you so-called dead. Then, yeah, I mean, you know, then it won't excite you as much, but wow. Look at this green. Look at this green. Ooh. Oh, yeah. Yeah. And y'all, what? Call big houses and buildings and shit beautiful? No.
There.
Yeah, not like this here. Giddy up.
You're about to
Oh,
be.
okay.
Y'all not change down though.
No, we just right here.
I can't balance.
What? Yes, you can.
Oh,
This is spider.
whoa,
I'm gonna take that as good luck.
Yeah.
whoa. You saying you can't balance? Whoa!
My baby. Your baby.
Hey, Will.
Yeah. She's doing a little balance now here.
Just a little bit.
Yeah.
TikTok.
Hmm?
TikTok.
You're so sweet. You're so sweet.
TikTok.
You're little beautiful.
TikTok.
My little beautiful mini-me's. Y'all all my little beautiful mini-me's. A deeper explorer right there.
Whoa. I'm going to that one.
Yeah. Oh, you know what, baby? I gotta get around.
Yeah, I can balance on this one too. See that? I can balance.
Lean all the way down there, cut out.
Agile self.
See that? Yeah.
Yep.
Look at it.
Yeah, mama.
Look at it.
I gotta get back used to my balancing. Hey, this will get me right. Keep doing this. Yeah, mama.
Look at it.
Go over there with him. Y'all come with her. Come get her. Don't leave her behind. Ooh. There's a big mosquito, ain't it? Yeah. Frog in that log. Frog got away. Yeah.
It looks like a baby.
Alright, come on, Mama. Let's walk a little bit. Froggy, get in the way. Alright, check it out. Bridge closed for repair. Use bear trail. Use bear trail near nature center. Wait, what it say about vehicles? No vehicular traffic. Bridge is undermined, awaiting repair. Yeah, whatever. So this is. Let's see. You see that down like that. Cross Creek. Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah. Guess what, y'all? Y'all don't see all that paper and plastic and all this shit around everywhere. You know how y'all like throw plastic and paper and shit around? See, you don't see all that there you around here. Just nature, baby. Just nature. What more can you ask for? Yeah, Mama. Now that's very tempting to get in right there. Very tempting. Yeah, see? Let me tell you where you can probably find me at, right? See all the way out there? All the way, you see where all the trees at right there? Like right somewhat like in the center of that there, that's where you can find. You know where I be at. But just relax though. Just relax. And this is real. Wow. This is amazing. I hear you. Nature sounds. Best sounds it is. There it is. You babies having them a great moment. Great moments. Great moments. Great moments. Yeah, many ways, you know. Although sometimes it seems like, I don't know, maybe we misses them or like you don't see so many trees, but like you don't see like fruit trees. If it was some here, they probably not cut them all down. Let's see, Mama. Yeah, Mama. Yeah, see. Dog. Yeah. Let's see what's going on.
Showing the waterfalls off right there.
Oh. See a little waterfall down there? Yeah. We could go around and go see that though.
How the water shapes the rocks over time. It just Nothing stops the water.
Water always flow. Yellow Mario, he
It
be
took
in
him
it.
2 seconds. You know.
Matter of fact.
I see that. Let's look at the waterfall. Y'all see it?
See, got a lot of water. Whoa, whoa, wait, I ain't never really experienced like, what you being on top of the waterfall?
I want to cross.
Now let's just embrace this moment here. Watch stuff, don't slip here.
Dad, look at monkey. It's sharper. It's sharper.
Just stay right there, don't come no further. Let's just embrace this moment.
Did you see the water? They stopped the water and they cut down that tree. And then another tree.
I'm not sure if they cut it down, but I won't put nothing past them though. This is really beautiful. Kind of look like a whole bunch of clay. Hold on, let me pause. Let me just enjoy this.
Look at all the minerals on that rock.
Yes.
Yeah. I'm gonna hold your hand. I ain't gonna let you go. That way you can look. Ain't that cool?
See a little leech right there?
Yeah.
Little leech.
You said leech
Mm-hmm.
in the water?
No, on this.
Oh, it is.
Wow.
Dad,
Hmm?
you tie my shoe.
Oh, hold on.
Did you see where this
Mm-hmm. Pretty.
It's these blind things that go slow.
Like the battery would run out before the memory.
Uh-huh.
Yeah.
They did it up there.
Look like a little seat right there.
Yeah, we was throwing rocks in that one. There's another one up here. This
This what I've been missing. Yeah, this is what I've been missing in life. Hmm? You got your little piece of plant. I see, Mama. Tall trees, and men bring their short asses around and cut them down.
Look at it. Look at it.
Look at this.
Shows how much the short and small don't appreciate the large and big. Yo. Dang, that is a tall pine. Never seen a pine tree that tall. Dang. Whoa. Way up there. We got a little old, pine tree. They look at that baby. You got a little walk across, huh?
Yeah, you got these ventures going down in there.
Yeah.
You really venturous.
This the one they ain't gonna be focused on no record. Man, I don't be focused on it now. Just aiming. I will be back to you one day. Let's see.
I want to hang it down.
Oh, what it is?
Oh, wow. Oh, that was in the nature center. What was the name of that?
Look at that big leg. Yeah, they ate the leaves.
It's the food source. But the leaves regenerate themselves so quickly. It don't matter.
Real quick.
Yeah.
That is a unique spider. Right there.
Spiders.
Very unique. Lee May.
They're spiders.
Mama, I'm right behind you. Hmm?
Hold the hand.
You hold a hand?
You want to hold my hand? Let me get this one. There you go.
Mama, you doing real good with walking.
Yeah.
I have forgot to bring her stroller.
In fact, you probably don't need that no more. At all no more.
Yeah, exactly. And I always want her to just get used to walking a lot. And like once here, she ain't been asking me to pick her up or nothing. I'm like, wow.
That was cool how these trees fell on each other right there.
That's a hug up right there.
Different storms.
And they still living, still here.
Wait, they're still alive. This always fascinated me, how trees could be uprooted.
Yeah, like this one here.
Yeah, I thought that was
Oh, it has different colors.
No, yeah?
His
You sound like a very beautiful lizard.
tail was blue.
Look how this done
Yeah,
rooted
that
up.
just came out of the ground.
A big one too.
Fascinating. That Well, the wind is the only thing powerful to move the tree.
That's it. And it's still living.
Yeah.
Ain't even got its full roots down in the ceiling, just got a little part of it. Wow. Look at all that life, like. Huh?
I'm gonna let your daddy go if I let you go.
Hey, that's okay with me.
You wanna look at it? Then look at it. Okay, that's good right there, babe. Right there. There you go.
Look like one of them hills.
Yeah.
Yeah, it depends on how I'm feeling one day. I just come and run and just jump. Just start jumping and rolling. Oh!
There's apartments right
Oh, sure enough.
That one.
Hey, Mama. Oh yeah. We get a lot of sun too. Yes. The energy, that frequency just be rising. Watershed protection. I hear you. Yeah, this is a supreme nature trail. Here's like, here to the ones I've been to. Like y'all seriously, like this is like one of the best dates you can go on.
Yeah.
Like for real.
Bring your picnic.
Yeah, exactly. The best date.
Can we go back to the park?
And feel. Let's explore nature.
No, little girl.
Ask
Come on, big girl.
Lamarian. No, Antonia.
Yeah.
You got how much water you got in there? Alright, well,
You want water, little girl?
This much. This much, yeah.
You thirsty?
oh,
I ain't tried none of mine yet. Mine's still full. Is it coming out? Hold on, let me open it. Yeah, it's coming out. Is water coming out? Yeah. Okay.
we got a little action.
There's an egg. It laid an egg right there.
Oh, well, fall back. Get back there.
A baby egg. Baby egg. I never seen an egg like that.
That is.
It's a blend-in thing. You can camouflage.
Oh! Hi,
I wonder how the eggs stick on there.
Look at this. Look at this.
That's doodle. That ain't doodle. That's an egg.
Oh, egg. Oh, egg. What happened?
Squirrel.
Squirrel.
Egg. Egg, kick up egg. Whoa, whoa.
Oh, butterfly. Butterfly.
Bee by my neck. Y'all slow down up here, okay?
Hmm? What's up with one of your pants? Sleep, lay.
Come on.
You love the water, mama.
Little mermaid. Where you from? The sea, girl?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, straight out the sea. Go down here, you can see it better too. Squirt with a nut.
I'm just a squirrel trying to get a nut.
Yeah, he up there eating a bunch of little nuts.
Big out there.
See all that water? That's the river. That's the Cape Fear River. Ooh, that's the spot to post up right there.
Yes.
That's a lot of water.
Man, I'm telling you, it's like really like for like the so-called homeless people. You know, they had me a tent and waiting out everybody leave.
Yeah, because you could wait till everybody leave the little so-called park ranger stuff. They come
Yeah, because they don't check everything.
everything. They trying to leave. They daggone self.
Exactly. And now I've been had me a little tent out posted. Shoot.
Pack it up in the morning before they come out.
Exactly. Yeah, never know. I'm giving y'all too much on the camera.
That's good right there. That's a cliff.
Yeah, don't go to.
Yeah, baby.
Yeah, I came down one of the little trees. Pretty awesome.
That pretty tree.
Yeah. Oh, watch that. Get out of that. Yeah.
I don't got no more water.
It is. Oh. No, here.
Big snail. Here goes snail.
Here. Oh, Neil. Neil. Hello, guys.
Hold on, yeah. Mama is all
got it.
and
She is in it.
yeah. Mama
Take
said,
it,
"Come on,
touch
hold hand.
Hold
Come on, let go." Wow.
Oh, I love it when it's canopy like that. Oh, that's my favorite.
Mm.
That makes you feel like you're in there.
Yes. Like a welcome. Welcome. I love to take me a great nap in here. And give it to you. Right in here.
Against the tree.
Right against the tree. I'm hugging you, I'm hugging the tree. Yeah, we whew, just sharing energy. Oh wait, that was on camera too.
Oh, it was, wasn't it?
Well, hey,
Hey, guys.
hey, yeah, it's cool. You know, we do what we do. I mean, it's natural, so
All about life here.
it's all about life.
It's a baby pine.
Oh, so sweet.
About a year, maybe. Yeah.
Yeah, mama.
Look, Dad.
What?
Dad.
What he got?
Dad, Daddy.
What you got?
She was snitching on you. Whatever it was, she told.
Tallness of these trees. Man, so I guess we got all the babies then.
We got one. Come here.
You think some of these trees get that tall?
Worm.
Little
I
wormy.
got worm.
Little wormy.
That's the ball, dog. Wormy.
Up! He put the leaf down, but the word stayed on him.
Worm said, hold on.
Hold on.
Let me finish greeting.
Oh, see? Ah. He's hungry. Dad, I have one to do that mommy house.
This is like a magnificent tree here.
Dad, come on. Come on. Come here. Come on. Come on. Come on.
Yeah,
Come on.
goes all the way up there.
Come on.
Yeah, my baby. Come on. Look, mama.
Huh? Look at it. Look at it.
Mm-hmm.
Ah. They know that.
Mm-hmm.
Look at it.
Come on.
Oh, that's a baby tree.
Baby tree.
Yeah.
Oh, baby tree. Hot water.
Yeah,
Look
water.
at this. Hot water. Water. Hot water.
Water.
Hot water.
Yep. No, mama. No. You should have kept it there for the birdies. Birdies come around and drink water. One of the other little animals.
Wait, water.
The little ones out here sunbathing. Sunbathing, I feel I deserve it all. Gracious. No cough, straight smoothing, no alcohol. Straight smoothing.
Look, hot. Dad.
Hey.
Dad.
It was like a tribal circle area. You come have a ceremony.
Like. What like?
So little, you get to see the little things.
Yeah.
Nothing.
We even done passed by.
You see it.
You get our attention, bring us back.
Yeah, like in the tropical circle.
Like the bubbles.
Hmm? What? I know. That's what I love. Yeah, so many.
That's in your belly.
Belly, belly.
Belly, baby.
Stop it! No!
And then stop there.
Stop! Stop it!
What's wrong? What he doing, Mama? He's just kicking the pine cone. See, there go another one, Mama. Look. Look on the ground. See, look over. One right here, one over there. Yeah, that one.
I feel the other one.
You want two? Mama, it's more up here. Look, Mama. There go one right here, look.
I'm gonna get four. That's two. That's two.
Just share with her. Just share with her.
That's two. She dropped her.
Just share with her. There's plenty more. You can find another, probably better, whatever. Ooh. Now look at that vine.
Wraps all the way around.
What? Now that is a strong one. That is a big one.
Dad, she's dropping hers and trying to
all the
take
way up.
people.
Whoa.
It's a big tree. I just think trees even got even bigger than this.
Oh, yeah. Especially all them silicone trees. The one that they tell us is mountains, but it were actually big silicone trees.
Yep.
And I'm like, wow.
Right.
Very lovable plants there. I always say the vine is the most lovable one. Sometimes they love so hard to.
Suffocate and choke them.
Yeah. But I mean, all of them ain't bad. I mean,
Right.
especially looking at that tree and then looking at these little trees. They ain't suffocate them. It's just, I guess, certain plants can't handle the type of love they got. Maybe too much. They're like humans. They would say,
Yeah.
oh, they love it too much. You love too hard. You just can't handle it.
You can't. That's exactly what it is.
Yeah.
Love something too hard.
Yeah.
Love is
Yeah,
is
we
a
don't
strong.
love enough. What the hell?
Yeah.